The iSpring US31 Water Filtration System offers a comprehensive three-stage purification process that efficiently removes sediments and harmful substances while retaining essential minerals. With its high flow rate, the system ensures your household has a constant supply of fresh, clean water, outperforming many common water pitcher dispensers. The design includes a stylish European brushed nickel faucet and a clear see-through first-stage housing, making filter inspections quick and easy. Manufactured to meet FDA standards and tested against NSF ANSI standards, the iSpring US31 guarantees excellent water quality and structural integrity. Installation and maintenance are straightforward, with filters designed to last and efficiently remove contaminants, requiring replacement every 6 to 12 months. Although it does not reduce total dissolved solids, the system preserves beneficial minerals and is backed by a solid 1-year warranty with lifetime support.